In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up a Vinted account so you can start buying and sell clothes easily. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is visit the official website of Vinted.com. And if you do, what will happen is you will be asked on your location. Okay, so for example, I am going to choose United States. And from here, accept all the cookies because this can interfere with the processing time if you don't accept the cookies. And on the top corner, all I have to do is super simple. Click the sign up button first. You can choose from any of the following account. You can use your Google, your Apple, or Facebook. But if you want to register using your business or personal email, do that here. Now, what will happen is, along the way, you will be asked to add your phone number. And then what will happen is, you've now successfully created your account here in Vinted. Okay, so here, of course, you can start selling your items and you can customize your preferences if you hover to the top right corner, edit your profile, and a lot more. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.